Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today's been a busy day for publicly traded mining companies. Hut 8 just provided their results for August for their operations. The video was already posted earlier today. I did a video around noon on that. So that's out. You can take a look at that one. And Marathon just also recently posted their August results for operations. So I just want to take a look at that information really quick with you guys, and then also I updated the mining results spreadsheet that I use to gauge mining companies. So let's take a look at these charts here. So Marathon is traded today at 42.40, so it was down a little bit from where it was, or it actually was up. Sorry. In the post, it's up a little bit more, but no, it was down actually. It was down for the day. Wait a minute, I'm confused here now. Wait a minute. I'm looking at the red. I'm thinking it's down, but it's actually, it was 42.20 is where it closed, so it was up 2% on the day. And now it's up post 42.40 for the day, if that's correct. For some reason, that's showing me that. If that's correct or not, let me know in the bottom below, but I'm confused by it. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. If we take a look at the results here from their mining operations. So Marathon Digital Holdings announces Bitcoin production and mining operation updates for August 2021. Marathon's monthly Bitcoin production increases 6% over the month to 469.6 BTC in August, as total Bitcoin holdings rose to approximately 6,695 BTC. So that is obviously a substantial amount. If we take a look at the calculator here really quick, it would be, let's see here, that's 6,695 times roughly 40. I think Bitcoin is like 49,600 right now. So that's 332 million roughly in price. So here's our update. It's about Marathon here. Historical and potential hash rate growth based on current shipment schedules of previously purchased miners, subject to change. So they're looking to be at 13, but you guys can see that very well. Makes it a little bit better. 13.3 exahash in mid-2022. So here's our corporate highlights as of September 1st, 2021. Produced 469.6 new minted Bitcoins during the August 2021 period, increasing total Bitcoin holdings to approximately 6,695, with a fair market value of approximately 316 million. Cash on hand was approximately 70.9 million, and total liquidity defined as cash and Bitcoin holdings was approximately 387.3 million. That's really good. That's stellar. And then received approximately 21,584 top tier AC miners from Bitmain year to date, with an additional 5,916 AC currently in transit. So I know that they purchased a heck of a lot of them out there. So we'll take a look at the numbers here shortly. Oh, let's see it here. Existing mining fleet consists of 22,412 active miners producing approximately 2.3 exahash. So we'll look at that as well. As of September 1st, 2021, Marathon's mining fleet has produced approximately 1,757.9 newly minted Bitcoins during 2021. By month, the company's Bitcoin production was as follows. So January they had 50.4, in February 43.3, March was 97.9, April was 162.1, May was 226.6, June was 265.6, July was 442.2, and on August was 469.6. As a result, Marathon currently holds approximately 6,695 BTC, including the 4,812.66 BTC the company purchased in January 2021 for an average price of 31,000. So they're obviously up almost 80% on that per BTC. On September 1st, 2021, the fair market value of one Bitcoin was approximately 49,800, implying that the approximate fair market value of Marathon's current Bitcoin holdings is approximately 333 million. Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty here. So based on the numbers that they provided, that they have 22,412 miners right now. This is where I came up with what they possibly have right now as far as what's mining out there. I'm guessing that the Antminers S9s that they had previously from the previous years, I'm guessing those have been probably sold off. Obviously, we don't know that. They haven't reported that. We'll have to look into their reports, quarterly reports, I think. Maybe they'll say something about that. But based on this is where I came up with 22,412, which is what they stated. They were, in the report, they stated they're supposed to get 10,000 of these, but it looks like right now they only got maybe 8,952. I don't know for sure on this one. This is where it gets kind of tricky as far as which ones did they actually get in, which ones didn't they get in. So this is just my best guess estimate on where things could be right now. Also, they reported 2.3 exahash right now. So if we take these numbers here, combine them all, we end up with 2.345 exahash, which is right in line with what they're reporting. We don't know exactly if it's 2.345 or if it's 2.3, but obviously we're very close to what they were reporting on this. So the current Bitcoin network hash rate is at 119,960,000 roughly. The current Bitcoin price that I used for this was at 49,679. So based on all this information, we know that they still have plenty of miners that have to be obviously installed or being shipped. So we got a total of, what is that? A total of 110,000 roughly miners that still need to be shipped and installed, plus the difference between the 8,852 and the 10,000 here. So based on this information, if we scroll over here and look down here, let me see if I can make this maybe a little bit bigger for you guys. There we go. Hopefully that helps. Let's see here. I want to scroll it the other way. Why can't I scroll it the other way? Let's see if we can do this. Oh, jeez. Sorry, guys. I'm not seeing my little scroll wheel. Let's do this one by one. There we go. Okay. So based on that, we're looking at right now 401 million would be their gross profit, gross revenue. They are at, stock price is at 42.20 right now. And then if we, like we've explained before in this video, where we did a deep dive on them, if we take a 50% discount to be very conservative with our estimates, and we look at the current price right now at 49,600, why is that pulling up that one? $49,679. You're looking at an EPS of $2.01, and then the PE ratio of 20. We would get a stock of $40.25, which is pretty much in line with what we're seeing here. So it's actually, looks like the stock is a little bit overvalued right now by 5% based on my estimates. If we just take a 50% discount, obviously they could be at 81% of gross revenue for net. I just don't know that. I'm using very conservative numbers here. So based on this information, we can see if Bitcoin goes up to almost $100,000, their stock price could be as high as $80.50. If the Bitcoin price triples, we could be at $120.75. And if the Bitcoin price quadruples, we're looking at $161 stock. So an upside of 91%, 186%, and 282% would be the cumulative update or uptick in price. Let me see here. If I can cancel. Why isn't this zooming out on me? Control. I don't want to shift cells up. I want to zoom out. Well, now let me zoom out. It won't let me zoom out. Sorry, guys. Oh, that's what I get for using a web-based. There we go. Maybe we can do that. Okay. So, like I was saying earlier, oh, why isn't this going over? I'm so sorry, guys. So stock price is 42. Current price to earnings is 55.82 based on the current EPS of 72 cents. Shares outstanding is 99 million. So based on all that information, this is my best guesstimate of where the stock could be if the price of Bitcoin goes up to these levels here. So right now, the way it's looking, based on my calculations, is just that it's pretty much fair valued, pretty fairly valued right now as far as stock price goes. I am interested to see, obviously, how fast they can get the other miners in, and when, if they get those miners in faster, obviously, that will improve profits as well, and what their overall operating expenses are, whether it's 25%, 30% of gross revenue. That would obviously make a difference as well. But being conservative, I just wanted to get a good estimate of where things could be. I know I'm rambling on here because I got a lot of stuff I want to get off my mind. So I think that's it. That's all I got for you guys. I think it's a great month they had. Obviously, they were able to increase their Bitcoin mining. They got in more machines. And I'm looking to see just if they got rid of those Antminers S9s or not. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Sorry about all the troubles I had with this. I'll try to get better at it next time around. But with that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.